Updating one of the repossession orders that we've assigned to you is really easy as well. I'm going to go ahead and log back in, and I can use, up here at the very top, I can use either the last name of the debtor, or I can put the last 6 of the VIN, or or the RepoSystems account number that we've assigned to you, or the account number that has been generated on your RepoSystems profile. And that's what I'm going to use today to look that up. So I'll go ahead and click 1003 because that's the one we're going to update today. You can actually access this from your desktop, or you can access this from a mobile device like a tablet or a or a mobile phone. It's a responsive website, so it'll adhere to fit your screen and make things extremely easy to use on any device. We've got 2 other options that you can use to update our accounts as well. One is using the RepoPath application, and that'll be in this video later. And then the other is using our mobile agent app. The difference between RepoPath and the mobile agent app is that the RepoPath actually generates a map and will guide you to the location and then alert you when you're there and what to look for, etc. The agent app is really just a tool that you can just use on your mobile device. It's just a little easier to use. But since we've created the responsive website, the agent app doesn't get used much, but I still want to show it to you just in case. So for now, I've logged into this account. I'm going to open up the main menu, and I'm going to go to the updates link. And what I can do is I can click this new note. But just real quickly, you can see what updates have been done here. And then I'll just go ahead and click the new note. Expand that screen, and the things that I want to show you, you can actually start typing if you wanted to, or you can actually just come down here and click any of these what we call pretext buttons. So I'm going to go ahead and click made contact with the maker, and you'll see that agents made contact with the maker. And then if I wanted to add more stuff, I could say on street parking or totaled or whatever. And then whenever I'm finished with that, I just click the add note, and that note has been added to the account, or it's going to be in just a few moments. So as you can see, that note's been added. Give me a moment and I will show you how to use the RepoSystems agent app. Not the RepoPath app just yet, but the agent app. Okay, another way to update our assignments that we've made to you is by using the RepoSystems agent app, and this app can be found on the Play or App stores. So I'm just going to go ahead and click that on my phone. I'm going to input the username and the password. And I'm going to go ahead and click the search account button. And I can do that by last name, by the last 6 of the VIN, by the client file ID, or by the account number. And I'm just going to go ahead and do that by the account number. And I'm going to click go. And it gives me the option to look at the vehicle or the vehicle information, or I can see, pretty much a summary of the assignment here, or I can just click and add note. And again, I can start typing here if I wanted to. Or I can run down here and use any of these pretext buttons, like ran the given home location or the maker's POE. I'll just go ahead and do that. And then there are other options down here, just like on the website. Made contact with the resident, made contact with the maker. And if we scroll back up, you'll see that those items are all there, and we can just use that to do that. And then once you're finished, all you have to do is click the add button, and that update is within RepoSystems. In just a moment, I'll go through another way to create an update utilizing the RepoPath app. So as mentioned before, the last and final way that you can update a RepoSystems assignment that we've made to you is by going into the RepoPath app on your mobile device, and I'm going to do that now. Go ahead and log in, and then I'm going to go ahead and click the map. So this will give you instructions that you've got maps, and you can have many maps. In this case, if I've just got one for this test in this demo app, so I'm going to go ahead and click that, and once you've started the app, you can choose navigation or exit the app. And in this case, we're just going to go ahead and click the navigation. Once you've clicked the navigation and reached the location, you'll be prompted with this little summary, and just click the continue. If you skip it, it'll go to another address that you may have in the area, but I'm just going to go ahead and click the continue. It's finding the best route, and then again, once you've arrived at the location, you can get a notification, and now you can click the add note. And again, you can type a note here, or you can use any of the pre-text buttons that we have, just like before. And I'll just go ahead and do some more stuff here. And if you wanted to, you could actually edit those pre-texts if you wanted to. So you could say, and is currently, oops, I hit the wrong one, so we'll just go ahead and say occupied. So you can click the submit note, and that will be taken care of for you, and then you can continue on if you wanted to, or you can skip it. But that way you can use 3 different methods to update our accounts. You've got the web, which you can access on a mobile device as well because it's a responsive site. You can access the Repo Agent map, which is available in the app stores, or you can download the RepoPath application and from the app stores as well and use it, and it will give you a directional way to get to that location.